Yeah.
Whoa, watch out.
Oh, shit.
I thought he was fucking around a guy. No,
He said, hell no, get off me, girl. Oh, shit. That was some good shit. Oh, yeah. Hell yeah. Man, I'll tell you what, check it out. I gotta go get my pole, girl. I want a piece of the action. Yeah, say it. Yeah, clearing out the dance hall, girl. You gotta take a picture and fucking let it go. I don't know, man. Are those things edible? Cause I'm gonna get off my nut, girl. Get out of here. Shark steak. I got half the freezer full of medicine, the other half full of shark steak. Hell yeah, he's a giant one. Dude, he will fill up half the freezer. Grab his ass. He's fucking giant, dude. Giant. Uh-oh. All right, bro. Dive on him. You got this. He's coming at you. He's coming at you. Perfect. Uh-oh, back up. Why are we backing up? That's it. You got his ass. Yeah.
Hell yeah.
It's a giant, bro. Woo!
In the water. There we go. Feel good?
Bro, beautiful.
Good job, Matt.
Good job, good job, good job. I'm sorry, I'm walking in front of you because I want a better shot. I'm sorry. Dude. I'm sorry. Look at I'm walking in front of everybody's phone.